Magandang araw! Ako si Mika.
At ako naman si Denise.
Good day! My name is Mika.
And my name is Denise. And together, let's make learning Tagalog easy and fun.
In today's video, we're going to learn top 25 Tagalog phrases that you must know. Handa na ba kayo?
Are you guys ready?
Tara, magsimula na tayo!
Let's start!
Kumusta?
How are you? So that is a common Filipino phrase that they use every day.
Kumusta?
How are you?
Magandang umaga,
Good morning.
magandang hapon,
Good afternoon.
magandang gabi.
And good evening. So these three phrases will get you by your whole day. Good morning,
Magandang umaga,
good afternoon,
magandang hapon,
and good evening.
magandang gabi.
So if someone asks you a yes or no question, the answers in Tagalog are
Oo or hindi.
Oo means yes and hindi means no. And if you're talking to someone much older than you or you want to show respect, you can say opo means yes sir or yes ma'am, and hindi po means no ma'am or no sir.
Anong pangalan mo? What's your name?
Ang pangalan ko ay Denise. My name is Denise.
Pwede mo ba akong tulungan? Can you help me?
So that's another way of asking people for help in Tagalog. And if you have an emergency, you can just shout tulong, tulong. That translates to help.
Help! Help! Pasensya na means sorry.
So if you've offended someone or you're just asking for forgiveness, that's how you do it.
Pasensya na.
Sorry na. Pasensya na.
Ano ito? What is this? Ano iyon? What is that?
So ano means what, and this means ito. Combined together, it translates to ano ito? What is this? That is iyon. What is that? Ano iyon? Ano ito? At ano iyon? Gusto ko to. I like this.
Gusto means like. Ito means this. Gusto ko ito. I like this. And if you like someone and you wanted to tell them that I like you, you can tell them, Gusto kita. I like you. Gusto kita. Paano pumunta sa? How do I get to? Paano pumunta sa mall? How do I get to the mall?
When you're asking for directions, you can just ask like that. Paano pumunta sa insert place? How do I get to the insert place?
Kaliwa, kanan, taas, baba.
That is another way to give people directions. Left, right, up, and down.
Kaliwa, kanan, taas, baba. Para po, para.
So para means stop. If you want to stop a public vehicle or you just want to go ride the public vehicle, you can say para and then you can go inside. Or if you want to go down, para po, this is my stop. Ang mahal naman. Wala po bang discount? This is so expensive. Can I ask for a cheaper price?
In this situation, we use mahal for the word expensive. But in the other situation, we can use mahal to express your feeling to your loved ones. For example, mahal kita. I love you. Mahal means love. Kita means you. I love you. Mahal kita. Saan tayo pupunta? Where are we going?
So saan means where. Tayo means we or us. And going is pupunta. Saan tayo pupunta? Where are we going? Or if you want to change it to me, where am I going? Saan ako pupunta? Or if you want to ask your friend, saan ka pupunta? Saan ka pupunta? Saan ako pwede kumain? Where can I eat?
Where is saan? Can is pwede. I means ako. Kumain means eat. Saan ako pwede kumain? Where can I eat? Saan ako pwede bumili ng? Where can I buy?
So if you want to ask someone where you can buy a certain item, you can just say, saan ako pwede bumili ng insert item. Saan means where, can means pwede, ako means I, and bumili is buy. Saan ako pwede bumili ng aircon? ng TV.
Aalis na ako. Paalam!
So that's how Filipinos say goodbye when they're off to summer. And you can answer back by saying paalam, which is goodbye, or take care. Ingat.
Alis na ako. Paalam!
Paalam. Ingat.
Teka. Wait.
So if you want someone to wait for you, you can just say teka or saglit. That translates to wait.
So our last Tagalog phrase is, Salamat sa panonood!
Thank you for watching.
Paalam!